Do you want to know how you can use the concept everyone is you pushed out to get over your anxiety? Well, today, that's what we're going to talk about. Andrea here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a counselor, life coach, and a certified law of attraction coach. And today we're going to talk about how the concept everyone is you pushed out can help you get past your anxiety. And just before we jump into it, definitely subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So I used to have anxiety way back when I was younger. And, what I found was my anxiety really came from the thoughts I was holding. So thoughts like, what are they going to think about me? What is he doing? Is he going to be with me? So anxiety is really having a bunch of anxious, worried thoughts, right? And so what I did to overcome anxiety and what you can do is remember that everybody is you pushed out. So when you get thoughts thinking, oh no, does he love me? Does he want to be with me? Remember, say to yourself, you know what? Everyone is me pushed out and all my thoughts create. Of course he loves me. Jerry absolutely loves every bit of me, right? Let's say, for instance, you're going to be going to, you're going to go write a test at school. And the test is really important. You want to ace the course and you start worrying and getting anxiety about it. Stop yourself. Say, everyone is me pushed out. My thoughts create. I intend to get straight A's. I intend to pass that test. Let's say, for instance, you're going to a job interview and you're getting anxiety and worried about it because you're worrying, oh, once if I don't get it, once if this goes wrong. Stop yourself. Remind yourself, everyone is you pushed out. And your thoughts create. They're going to hire me. I'm the best candidate for the job. Because really where we focus our thoughts is what is really going to help us to control our feelings, because our thoughts control our emotions, right? So when you have your anxieties, remember that you get to choose how things go. Let's say that you're going to go ask that girl out, or you're worried if he loves you. Okay, you don't need to be anxious about these things, because you say to yourself, everyone is me pushed out. My thoughts create. He loves me. She's going to say yes when I ask her out. Because ultimately, you create the story of your life and you create all the characters in it. So there's no need to go down the path of being anxious and worried, because nobody in your reality has any more free will to think than this cute little teddy bear, okay? So what you expect people to say, what you expect people to do, what you expect people to think about you, they're going to think about you. Now, there's been a little bit of question, like, do you need to believe things that you're creating intentions for? And the only beliefs that you need to have when it comes to creating is that you believe that your thoughts create, and you believe that you can be, do, and have anything that you want. So create that belief system, because that's the only thing you need to believe. I honestly create things every day in my life that I never thought were possible. And I'm surprised each and every time they show up in my life. But the thing is, right, is I've never actually believed any of them until they've actually shown up. The only thing that I believe is that I do believe my thoughts create, and I do believe that I could be, do, and have anything that I want. So when you start having anxiety and doubts, wondering if your intentions are going to create, then say to yourself, I believe my thoughts create. I know my thoughts create. I created this, right? And then that takes care of that doubt. So that's even how to get past the anxiety of even doubting if your thoughts create. Anyways, yes, so that's how you can use the law of attraction and everyone is you pushed out to get past your anxiety, because everybody in your world is just a bunch of cute little Jerrys, and you ultimately choose how you create the story and how people in your life act with you, react to you, interact with you, and what they say and what they do and what the characteristics are. So yeah, that's my video for today. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And until the next video, have a great day and create something wonderful for yourselves, because you deserve it. Bye for now.